Igama lami ngiSibulelo Wangobese, ngihlala eDamini eShongweni Dam, ngifunda eThokoza Mganga High School. I-canoeing isport engasikhetha ngokuthi mhlawumbe ngoba ngathi ngikhula. Sport engaqala ukwazi nje ukuthi ngathiwa contact to sports ngazi ukuthi contact to canoeing because isport ebesenziwa umalume.
I'm Mr. Ntanze, principal of Thokoza Mganga High School, situated in Shongweni Dam area, which is a semi-rural area that is thriving in arts and also talent. I know a lot of my learners, Sibulelo being amongst one of them. He's very humble, very disciplined. As you see him, always full in school uniform, always punctual, dedicated, and also into the sports of rowing.
Mina nguNonhlanhla ngokaDlamini Sibongo. uSibulelo ingane yendodakazi yami, uyingane ezwayo. Ma ukhuluma naye uyakulalela. Njengogogo wakhe ngigade la ekuthenini mangabe ethukhathele kunezinto okufanele azenze ngimenzele zona.
Since Sibulelo has qualified to go and compete abroad in Italy, we know that he will definitely represent us well. His level of discipline, which is very paramount in these levels, he got there because he deserves to. He has the capabilities, the potential, and also know that there will be challenges. He needs to rise above those challenges and soldier on. He will come us and bring us back the medal that we deserve as a school and the entire community of Shongweni Dam.
Bengathanda ukubonga kakhulu ucoach wami Thembinkosi Ngcobo kanye nomalume wami Lindohle Maphumulo okuyibona abengigqugquzela nokuthi bebengiphusha kakhulu mawukuthi fanele kuba sijima. Phinde ngibonge kakhulu ugogo bengilekelela ngakho konke enza isiqiniseko ukuthi konke engikudingayo ngiyakuthola.
Sijabulile kakhulu sonke lapha ekhaya. Ucela ukuthi uhambe kahle. uNkulunkulu akubheke phambili, nawe ufike phambili uyiphathe kahle.
Engingakusho kontanga bami, uma wenza le sports lesi kumele ulalele, ube ne-dedication, uyimisele ngakho konke. Ngibonge i-sponsors zami, uCanCU, National Lotteries, uCebo Lethu kanye ne-CSA. Uyibona bangilekelelile ukube uhambo lami libe impumelelo lolitha.